Falls House, Pennsylvania. The Waterfall House was designed by famed American architect Frank Lloyd Wright in 1935. Its owner is the owner of a prestigious shopping center named Edgar Jack Kaufman. At the moment, this is not a residential building, but a functioning attraction where everyone can get. Therefore, this property is not for sale. In 1991, members of the American Institute of Architects named it the best and unsurpassed work of national architecture. The nearly 500 square meter house sits over a 9-meter waterfall and features sandstone walls and floors. Also inside the house there is a glass hatch that closes the stairs leading to the foot of the waterfall. All furniture and decor elements were also designed by the architect. That's all. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. All for now.